What is going on? This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW from Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another banger. Alright, so today we got GBPUSD. As you can see, we held this key level, this 430 key level, which means that I think we're eventually going to break that key level, right? As you can see over here on the 15-minute chart, we had a bull trap above this trend line, and then we came back into value. So we are reading downward momentum. If it was 9 o'clock right now, I'd be taking shorts, but right now it's still early, so there's a little bit of manipulation. I want to see bull traps here, maybe here or up here, depending on where we're at around the beginning of New York session. This kind of looks similar to last week's move on Tuesday. Price broke out usually over here, came over here, and then we made our U here. So we're going to look for bear traps to this level over here for the buy opportunity, or bull traps over here for the sell opportunity. Like I said, it's still 8:30, so I want to come back around 9 o'clock for more data. But on my log right here, I have written down, I said we're up on the daily chart. All the buyers' liquidity is above the trend lines, which we already took. But right now we are reading downward momentum. I would take the short right now, but it is early, so I don't like taking positions right now. All the sellers' liquidity is down at this 440 key level in this trend line. And like I said before, we're looking for bull traps because we never broke that level here. We are reading this inverted crown, so I think price wants to dip over here and then find support maybe later in the day. But since we never broke that level, I think eventually we're going to break that level. So we need to wait for that bull trap to be confirmed around 9:15 for that opportunity to set up. We'll see you then. We just dropped one short. Our first target's going to be down here. Then we're going to react when we get down there. We'll be back in a bit. Let's go. So, as you can see, we eating shit right now. We're going to keep holding on. This thing is falling off the map. Let's go, baby. Molly up. We're getting out of this position now. Target smashed. This was an easy day. Let's go, baby. 100